Researchers and citizen scientists in the Photobiology and Solar Radiation Lab use long-term data sets to understand how UV radiation affects organisms in the Rhode River Estuary. A lot of this data is collected on the meteorological tower on the hill behind the Mathias Laboratory and in other spots on SERC's campus. Citizen scientist Keith helped analyze long-term solar radiation measurements taken on the SERC meteorological tower.
The thing that we've become particularly interested in over the last year is analyzing that data for times in the day all through the year where the sun is at the same solar elevation. So if the angle of the sun is the same in the summer or in the winter, then you take the seasonal signal out of it and you can see long-term changes that are associated with the properties of the atmosphere.
This green line shows the amount of light filtered in the atmosphere due to aerosols in the summer at SERC over the last 25 years or so. These measurements are made using the photometers at the top of the meteorological tower. Aerosols are tiny particles that get into the atmosphere from a variety of sources. Some are natural, like things like dust. Some are man-made, like vehicle exhaust and coal-burning power plants. Hazy summer skies are a sign of high aerosol concentrations. This graph shows a long-term decline in summertime atmospheric aerosols in the Washington, D.C. metropolitan area. This is mainly because of pollution controls on vehicles and power plants. This means our skies have become cleaner and helped the air quality. This blue line shows another effect of decreasing aerosols, that is, an increase in ultraviolet B radiation. This is the kind of radiation that gives you sunburns. Measurements of UVB radiation are made with something called a spectroradiometer. The effect of aerosols is most clearly seen when compared to UVB measurements on a cloud-free day, and the sun has to be in the same position across the sky. To make this graph, the sun position throughout the day had to be calculated for each day of the summer and cross-checked to ensure that it was a clear day. Thank you so much to all of the photobiology citizen scientists that have helped us this year. We could not do the work we do without you.